How to make your bathroom smell fresh and clean. Keeping your home clean is an essential yet tedious chore. The bathroom is generally the last area anyone wants to clean, but it may also be the simplest. In fact, it may even become such a lovely scented place that no one will ever grumble about having to clean it again. Here are some of the best and easiest ways to keep your bathroom smelling fresh and clean every day. 1. Keep towels dry. Storing towels that are still damp is a terrible idea. It's especially awful in the bathroom because it's a highly humid environment. Towels should be dried preferably in the sun immediately after use. It's also critical to wash them periodically and to hang them rather than fold them to help them dry completely. 2. Use lemon. When it comes to cleaning and eradicating unwanted odors, the lemon is one of your best allies. It's a potent natural cleanser that leaves a nice scent and neutralizes unpleasant odors. 3. Use essential oils. Essential oils are excellent for preventing unpleasant odors. The secret to utilizing essential oils is to dampen cotton balls in your favorite scent and carefully place them about the bathroom. You can even place one inside your wastebasket under the liner or inside the toilet paper roll. 4. Combine water and fabric softener. Because hand towels are continually exposed to odors and bacteria from your skin, a solution of water and fabric softener can be sprayed on them to keep them fresh. A DIY room freshener can also be made using a mixture of water, baking soda, and fabric softener. 5. Baking soda. Baking soda is widely renowned for removing even the most noxious and difficult odors. Ideally, you should combine it with hot water and use it every way you would use your normal bathroom cleaner. 6. Laundry detergent in the toilet tank. Pour 1 cup of laundry detergent directly into your toilet tank where it will sink to the bottom and stay there. Each time you flush, it will emit a lovely aroma that will remain in the air for quite a while. Drop us a comment below and let us know which method was your favorite. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.